1800 Helvetic Republic 16 Franken gold coin. A rare Revolutionary-era European gold coin. Introduction. The 1800 Helvetic Republic 16 Franken gold coin is one of the most fascinating and historically important coins from Switzerland, struck during a short but dramatic period in Swiss history. This coin represents the Helvetic Republic, a centralized state imposed under the influence of Napoleonic France. Because the Helvetic Republic existed for only a few years, 1798 to 1803, coins from this era are rare, highly collectible, and historically rich. This gold coin is admired not only for its high gold content, but also for its artistic design, which reflects revolutionary ideals such as liberty, unity, and national identity. Today, the 16 Franken 1800 coin is considered a key Swiss gold issue and is actively sought after by collectors, historians, and investors worldwide. Historical background. The Helvetic Republic 1798 to 1803. Before 1798, Switzerland was a loose confederation of semi-independent cantons. Inspired by the French Revolution, French troops invaded Switzerland in 1798 and established the Helvetic Republic, replacing the old system with a centralized government. The Helvetic Republic was strongly influenced by French revolutionary ideals, politically unstable, widely unpopular among Swiss citizens, short-lived, lasting only about 5 years. Despite its instability, this period produced some of the most important Swiss coinage, including gold coins denominated in francs, modeled after the French monetary system. Issuing authority. Country: Switzerland. Government: Helvetic Republic. Year of issue: 1800. Denomination: 16 Franken. Currency system: franc-based. This coin was struck under the authority of the Helvetic Republic as part of an effort to modernize Swiss currency and align it with European standards. Physical specifications. Metal composition. Metal: gold. Purity: 0.90090% gold, 10% copper. Actual gold weight approx. 0.233 troy ounces. Weight and size. Weight: 8.00 grams. Diameter: 26 mm. Thickness: standard for late 18th century gold coinage. Edge: edge type, reeded. The reeded edge was used to prevent clipping, a common form of fraud in gold coins. Obverse design. Main figure: Helvetia. The obverse features a standing male figure, symbolizing the Swiss citizen soldier, a powerful emblem of national defense and independence. Key details. The figure holds a flag or banner representing freedom and unity. A sword is visible, symbolizing readiness to defend the nation. Clothing reflects traditional Swiss military attire. The posture conveys strength, vigilance, and patriotism. Inscription: Helvetic Republic. This translates to Helvetic Republic, proudly announcing the new revolutionary state. Mint mark. A small b appears at the bottom of the obverse. This indicates the Bern mint, one of the most important Swiss mints of the era. Reverse design. Denomination and date: 16 Franken, 1800. The denomination is clearly stated, showing alignment with the French franc system.